students, hope all of you are doing good. I am Miss Karima. Welcome to RKP online classes. Students, our previous topic was comparing numbers, but today our topic is forming numbers. You know the numbers now? All of us know the numbers 1 to 9, but there is a number 0 also. 0 has some different values every time. So just have a story about 0. So students, watch this clip. In this clip, 0 is looking so sad. As the others scurried away, 0 had a horrible realization. A real superhero would not multiply his friends into nothingness. That's the kind of stuff only an evil villain would do. The thought gave Hero 0 a hollow feeling inside. Now one day 0 becomes the friend of 1 and it becomes 10. It changes the value of 1. Now in this way, when 0 comes behind the number, it becomes 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. Means it changes the value of 1 to 9. So we can say 0 becomes hero. So students, as we have watched the story, 0 alone has no value. 0 has no value, but when it comes behind the number, when it comes behind any number, its value changes. Means what it becomes? 10, and when you put another 0, what it becomes? 100. Okay? So never put 0 before any number because it has no value. Now students, if I want to know the smallest 4-digit number, what will I do? First of all, I should know how to get the smallest 4-digit numbers. Write the digits in ascending orders, smallest to greatest. Means if you are given some numbers, and then how will you arrange it? You will arrange according to you will arrange in ascending order. Means first smallest will come and at last greatest number will come. Let's have an example. Like you have given some numbers 1, 0, 3, 5. You have given 4 numbers and you want to know the smallest 4-digit number. But you know how to get the smallest 4-digit number? Arrange the digit in ascending order. Means first smallest number will come and then at last the greatest number will come. So students, what is the smallest number in these numbers? 0. But as I told you, 0, when 0 comes just before the number, it has no value. So what is your second smallest number? That is 1. And after that, what second number will come? 0. And now again the smallest number between 3 and 5, 3 and 5. Okay students, let's take one more example. 2096. As I told you, 0 is the smallest number, but we can't take it just before any number. But because if you take this number like this, then what does it become? It becomes 3-digit number, but you want to know the 4-digit numbers. Okay students? So what number will come first? 2. After that, the again smallest number is 0. Then 0. After that, between 9 and 6, 6 number is the smallest, and then 9. Then what is your smallest 4-digit number? By using these numbers are 2069. Okay students? Similarly, the greatest 4-digit number. How to get the greatest 4-digit numbers? Arrange the digits in descending order. Descending order means first the greatest number will come, then the smallest number will come. Okay students, let's take this example again. 2096. You have given 4 numbers. What is the highest, what is the greatest number here? 9. 9 will come first at 1000 place. Next second highest number is 6. Write 6 here. Now what is the next highest number? That is 2, and at last the smallest number is 0. So students, by using these numbers, the smallest 4-digit number is 2069 and the greatest number is 9620. So student, there is some questions in which we have to find the smallest number and the greatest number. Your first question is 0316, and if I want to know the smallest number, then what will I do? As I told you, the first number should be the smallest, but there is a smallest number, that is 0, and we can't start any number with the 0. So then what's your second smallest number? That is 1, and after that you put 0. Now next smallest number is 3, and after the highest number is 6. So what's your number? 1036. So by using the numbers, we have to find the greatest number also. What is the greatest number here? 6. So write first 6. After the second highest number is 3. So write here 3. Again the highest number is 1, and at last smallest number will come. So your greatest number is 6310. Your second question is 6059. You have to find the smallest number by using these 4 digits. So what will be your smallest number? 0, but we can't start the number from 0. So second smallest number is 5. And then put 0. After that, what number will come? 6, and then 9. So what is your smallest number? 5069. And the greatest number, first greatest number will be 9. After that 6. After that 5, and 0 will come at last. So your greatest number is 9650. So students, hope you understand this by the smallest number and the greatest numbers. Do these questions by yourself. Now students, our next topic is successor and predecessor. What is successor? The number just after the given number is called successor. Means if you have given one number and you have said that the just after that number, that will be your successor. And in predecessor, the number just before the given number is called predecessor. Okay students, so let's have an example to make these definitions clear. You have given one number 4325. I want to know the successor of this given number. Then as the definition suggests, the number just after the given number. Just after the given number means this given number, if I add 1 here, that is the just after the given number, add it. 4326. So students, what is the successor here? You can write 4326 is the successor of what? 4325. Okay student, in successor you will add 1 to the given number. And in predecessor, that is just opposite to the successor. If the numbers we will take the same number 4325, but I want to know the predecessor, so I subtract 1 here. 5 minus 1, 4, 2, 3, 4. 4324 is the predecessor of what? 4325. So we can write here 4324 is the predecessor of 4325. So students, if you want to know the successor of the given number, then add 1 here, and if you want to know the predecessor, then subtract 1 from that number. Now students, we have some questions about the successor and predecessor. As I told you how to get the successor, so add the one number to the given number. Okay, if you add one number to the given number, what will it become? Add it, what will it become? Can you add it? Yes, you can add it very easily. What does it number becomes? 1422. 1421. If you add 1 here, what will it become? 1422. Similarly, do the same here. If you add 1, what will it become? If you add 1 here, what will it become? 8 plus 1, 9, and 8, 0, 5. 5089. So what is the successor here? 5089 is the successor of what? It is the successor of 5088. So student, do these questions by yourself. Now come here, write the predecessor of the each number. As I told you how to get the predecessor. When you subtract 1 from the given number, you will get the predecessor. If I subtract 1 from here, means 1 from here, what will it become? 2 minus 1, 1, 5, 6, 1. So what is the predecessor? 1651 is the predecessor of what? 1652. Okay student, do the same here. If I subtract 1 from here, what will it become? If I subtract 1 from here, what will it become? 1 minus 1, 0, 1, 5, 6. Means 6510 is the predecessor of 6511. Okay student, do these questions by yourself.